Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Wednesday, December 11th, 2024. It is raining like crazy here today. It's 36 degrees out, but most of the snow is going to be gone, and then tonight we're going to get some major wind gusts, supposedly. So I thought I'd hop on here and do a video, because a lot of times when the wind is not cooperating here, the internet is not very good. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day. I thought that I would shoot a video and talk to you about what's possible if you stay consistent. Okay, now I did a video, a live last night, showing that I had a $350 check come in from Cash Building System Unlimited. All right, earlier this week I had a $50 check come in from American Bill Money, and then I had a sign up in Nexus Rewards, which is another $25. So I did about $425 in commissions this week alone, and the opportunities that I'm in are so simple to do that the only thing that you have to do with it is just stay consistent. That's why I do that. You see me doing videos all the time. I'm sharing this opportunity all the time. And when you do that, that's when the magic starts happening. There's no other special formula or magic button that you can push to make money and, get signups all the time. It's just a matter of staying consistency. And I say it over and over and over and over again, and yet I still see the same people asking me if it's a scam, does it work? Or I see people who want to join these programs, but then they're off, to whatever other program they're in, and then the next week they're in a different program, and then the following week they're in another program. In order to be successful with online marketing or working from home, and it's taken me a long time, I admit it's taken me a long time to figure this out. Years I struggled with the shiny object syndrome. It's raining so hard I don't even know if you can hear me, but for years I struggled with the shiny object syndrome, and I would jump from one program to the next program to the next program, and I would make maybe $25 here or $100 here or $1,000 here. But then as soon as that new program came out, I was on it. So I never gave myself a fair chance to build a legit work from home opportunity, because I was always jumping from program to program. Now, it wasn't until a few years ago where I finally decided to focus on building an opportunity, getting that to where I was making nice monthly residual income before moving on to another program. And now today, I found an even easier way, in my opinion, direct mail marketing. Okay, so I'm in 2 direct mail marketing opportunities where it's as simple as mailing out postcards. All right, and I always keep these postcards on hand in case I ever run into people, but I'm constantly mailing out letters which contain my postcards, and I've done videos about it, what's in my letters. They're just a personalized letter. Then it has my 2 postcard opportunities. It has my Nexus Rewards $100 drop card, and then I put in my Join Russ business card. Okay? And that's what I'm doing, on top of making videos and sharing these opportunities on YouTube and Facebook. So now with these direct mail marketing opportunities, it's so easy to do that you can do more than one opportunity. All right, because I'm not worried about, being on webinar calls and building huge teams. I'm just simply mailing out letters and postcards and doing some videos, and it doesn't get any easier than that. I mean, it literally does not get any easier than that. So the key to it all is just being consistent. Just staying consistent with whatever marketing methods you're using, showing up every day, finding an opportunity that resonates with you, which I've done with these direct mail opportunities and Nexus Rewards. And the reason I'm doing all 3 is because you have to live in the United States, Puerto Rico, or the Virgin Islands to partake in the direct mail opportunities. And then Nexus Rewards is a global opportunity. So I'm giving anyone who wants to work with me, no matter where they are in the world, they have an opportunity that they can join me with and work with me. But Mailing postcards, folks, I wish I would have done this 18 years ago when I first started dabbling in the work from home space, online marketing space, because it literally doesn't get any simpler than mailing out postcards. And if you can show up every day, if you can, dedicate an hour to this every single day, you can make this work if you follow what I show you how to do, okay? When you join my team, you're gonna get all my contact information. You're gonna get a resource page with over 80 different places that you can share these opportunities online. 99% of those places are free. And you just follow what I'm doing and stay consistent, and you can have success, okay? Now, I always put in my earnings disclaimer because 90% of people that join these opportunities never take action, okay? So I can't guarantee you're gonna make any money when you join me in these opportunities. It's all dependent on your work ethic, but I can guarantee you that if you put in the work, treat it like a business, you will get business pay from it, okay? Now, go ahead, if you haven't seen my video, my live that I did yesterday, you can see where I made a $350 check that came in the mail. Earlier this week, like I said, I had the $50 check from American Bill Money. I had a sign up in Nexus Rewards, and it's the reason that is happening, the reason I'm getting signups is because I'm staying consistent. If you join these programs and don't take any action, nobody's gonna see your opportunity. Therefore, you're not gonna make any sales, okay? So we have some really good opportunities here. You can go to joinruss.com, check them all out, see which one resonates with you. I have people that join me in all 3 opportunities, but you can just pick one that resonates with you and join me, all right? And when I see you join, I'll send you my resource page and I can help you get going. I'm not gonna do the work for you, but I'm here to lead you and guide you in the right direction and answer any questions that you have, okay? So I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos, and I look forward to seeing you in my next one. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.